Sorry for the interruption. So as I was saying in part one of the video, students spend a lot of time trying to figure out what the symbol is, and that's actually not important to me at all. What I want you to do instead is if the element is present in the sample star spectrum, so if you determine that Mercury is present in this star spectrum, what I want you to put here is I want you to put Mercury and then put present. And if it's not, if it's absent, you can put Mercury and then write absent, meaning that if we didn't have the corresponding lines down below that we have here for Mercury, we can just write absent. So it's going to be present or absent, so forget the symbol. We'll just write whether it's present or absent. Then we have our analysis questions. These really are not, in my opinion, that difficult. One thing that throws students off sometimes, it says questions 4 through 6 refer to the chart electromagnetic spectrum and the appendix at the back of the book. So then students stop what they're doing, they run to the cabinet, they grab their lab books, they're going through the book, they're going to the appendix, which is fine, but when they open it up to the appendix in the back of the book, what they end up finding is this. And they say, wait, didn't I have this in my reference table? And I say, yes. So like, well, why do they tell me to go to the appendix in the back of the book? The author of the book is assuming that you don't have a reference table, or maybe there's not one handy. They want to make sure that everything's contained in the lab book. But for you guys, because you have reference tables in your binders, just pull out the reference table and open up to page number 14 and use those to answer questions 4 through 6. It'll just save you a bit of time. And don't forget, for your conclusion, a few sentences here. That's really all that you can write about this one, in my opinion. And make sure, of course, that everything is in a complete sentence. It's kind of tempting to answer these ones in particular with these like short little 1-word or 2-word phrases, but just be careful. Make sure you answer everything in a complete sentence. So hopefully that sums up the lab for you. If you are still having trouble or you feel like you need extra help, please raise your hand during lab time, or if you're working on it outside of lab time, email me, come see me. I'll be happy to clarify anything for you. Again, this lab is not that difficult. It's a little involved, but there's no reason why everyone shouldn't get it done on time, and score very highly on it.